Have you done your snowy Christmas pictures yet? Don't forget to wish a Merry Christmas to all your loved ones.
Oh.
Proof that the holidays are never boring.
I have no idea how this possum got in my house and up into my tree. And I'm trying to get him out, but it will not let me, and I just don't know what to do. I don't know how I got in here. I don't leave my doors open. Somebody help.
George, did you steal the gingerbread house? George, look at Mom. George.
Oh my god! Dude!